We're working on the 2007 Honda Accord. We're having issues with the power steering. So the pump is going bad. Whenever you turn into the right or the left, it doesn't give you full motion and it has a little bit of leak in it. So this pump's been going bad for a while. So now I'm just going to knock it out. First thing you gotta do is take the belt off. This is a 14mm on the tensioner. You pull it back, so this way you can slide the belt off. Pull it back, slide it off. What's good, what's good? Ah, crap, now you joining. Pump off is a 12mm here and one at the bottom, underneath here. It's going to be an assortment of wrenches because it depends on how you work. It may be a little easier, but this one is going to be easy. The one at the bottom is a problem. So it's a 12. So I just use a ratchet wrench to get in there to get the bottom one loose. So with the pump loose, I'm gonna get me a little container. Take this off because it's gonna leak. And get me the impact 10 just to take these out. So far the float is at the correct level, so I'm gonna go inside, move the wheel back and forth and see how easy it turns. Okay. Definitely feels a lot better, so I think that was a good repair. Because before, when I was trying to turn all the way over here, I actually have to be forcing it, but right now, smooth.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.